This is the elevator at 941 Penn Avenue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's an Otis Gen2 from 2008.
Going down.
2 lanterns, but only the right one works. One away from the COP basement. Check it out. It smells like kind of perfume in the elevator. It's actually my first time ever riding this elevator.
Basement.
Here, basement.
Going up.
Motion activated lights turned on. Actually, I just noticed
Going up.
the independent key is in there. Let's do that up to 10 to 9. That was 10. Close. It's kind of slow for 10 floors.
Ninth floor.
Does the floor announcement say on the floor view, but not direction for it's an independent? That's interesting. Hit the little atrium thing there. Alright, let's take it out of independent now and go back down to 1. Certificate. It's an old certificate. It's still in 2008. But it's an old certificate with way too many rewrites. It's a basic Otis cab. Oh, got the airplane sound in Gen 2. It's not too loud though. Or something has a little bit of a gap.
First floor.
Then back at 1. It seems only like, what, 200, 150?
Going up.
200, 150 feet a minute or something. 5-year test 2008, but that's when it was installed. I guess it was just the safety test in general that caused it. That's going to be it.